stock chart technical analysis with the 3 methods rising candlestick chart pattern. Similar to the 3 methods falling candlestick pattern, open, high, low, and close prices, especially from the first and last candles, can be great references for identifying support and resistance ranges. Generally, it's best if the middle portion does not fall below the low price of the first candle, which will often have higher green volume similar to the last candle. In order to produce this more classic and reliable silhouette of the closing prices from a 3 methods rising pattern. This also applies to a variation of the pattern when the first and last candles have their price ranges covering almost the exact same price range. Such a vertically compressed variation of the 3 methods rising pattern can often produce a very clear range, such as the $2 wide support range forming now, which of course isn't guaranteed to hold, especially when there's consistent contact and selling on this range. The next chart begins with the opposite scenario where a clear support range does hold. There's a bearish star, but its effects are cancelled out within a mix of 3 marching soldiers and 3 methods rising price action, with the added feature of drastically increased volume that is more than sufficient to surpass the well-defined resistance area. And naturally, the steep bullish acceleration isn't sustained for too long. Bearish reversal candles form, but they remain mostly flat and don't accelerate down for a reversal. So with the next green spike, we get another bullish continuation with the 3 methods rising pattern. Then with price quickly and consecutively closing above the 3 methods rising's high, there are even more bullish developments even though volume is at relatively average levels, due to the formation of a 3 methods rising pattern with the middle portion being inclined. Then right after, a very similar situation repeats, though eventually the bullish streak of 3 methods rising price action does end. In this case, it's with a strong dark cloud cover reversal, which also has strong selling volume that actually carries over to a bearish continuation with 3 methods falling price action. Then, like normal, the candle patterns we've identified become references for key levels of support and resistance, often with even greater significance around the opening and closing prices of candles that had high volume and were key parts of continuation or reversal patterns. And on this chart in particular, most of the candles were proportionally larger when these characteristics were present.